I've got the whole fleet out today. CBR 600, 2010, 1985 gyro, 1993 Honda. And the star of the show today will be the Zuma, and I want to show you how I cleaned it. But first of all, I still haven't driven this yet. Total miles. Still haven't. I've owned it since December. I haven't driven. I still have to get a little bit more courage on that. Drive that. Okay. Well, what I want to show you about there's the Honda. But yesterday this is a three-part series on cleaning the Zuma. If you look at it, it looks really nice. I'll go all the way around it. You can take a look. I'll show you what a trick I found. What I did was I took the bike and totally cleaned it. Totally dried it off. And then when you take Armor All, you take it, and usually people do the fenders and the wheels down here. What I do is I put it on everything. And people go, oh, well, you put it on the panels, this and that. Well, I'll tell you what, I mean, look at it. It's got Armor All on all the plastics, on the seat, on the headlights, on the wheels. And that's my secret for this video series is if you're going to use Armor All, shake it up really well because it settles, and put it on everything. And after you get done, you can see, yeah, it does leave a little bit of oil on the panels. But what you do is you take a little bit of Windex and you come in here and clean it up and clean these up. You can see there's a little bit of smudge right there. And it makes the bike look like brand new again. It also protects all the plastics. So I'm real happy I found that out. So that's some of my bikes. We've got the Zuma, and this is a Honda that'll do 0 to 70 in about 3 seconds. And my Honda Gyro, my little old lady, and of course my newest baby, which is it's a 2010 CBR. I was just lucky enough to buy it where a gentleman bought it for his wife, and she decided she didn't want it, so he just traded it in after he put all these fancy fix-ups on it. Okay.